So right now I'm brushing out all the kinks in my hair, so it's a little bit easier to braid. I'm starting out, I like to do a lot of side French braids because I have a lot of layers and I find that it's easier to control. So I'm starting out with a regular braid here. And now I'm taking from the right side and crossing that over the middle. And I'm doing the same thing on the opposite side. When I cross it over the middle, I pull pretty tight, almost like I'm about to put it through a loop, just so that I have really good tension. So I continue this down the side. Now if you want to change the direction of your braid, you would just braid closer to your ear, like you just move your hands in the direction that you want the braid to go. For this, I was just trying to keep it in the frame, so I did it kind of side middle braid. One thing I will say is it gets a little bit more challenging once you get to the bottom. This is where tension is really important, or it's gonna get unraveled. So in a little bit, you're gonna see me kind of utilize the rest of my hair in a different way than just like braiding it all the way down, because I have a lot of layers. I don't like my layers to poke out of the braid, so I like to put it in like either like a bun or a low ponytail. For this, I'm doing a bun. So I'm just finishing off the braid. And it's not going to be completely perfect because I couldn't really use a mirror for this. I was trying to keep it in the frame. And now I'm twisting it up into a bun. And I'm holding it pretty tight. And then I'm just putting like it in a regular little bun at the bottom. Now here's where I'm going to take some hairpins to secure it. I like to use hairpins and not bobby pins because they're a little bit more open, so you can control tightening a base. So I just stick them like kind of towards the side of the bun and then down through the middle. And here I'm just like making the braid a little bit bigger. You can even curl your hair before you do this, like some loose curls. If you want to see a curling video, let me know. But this is kind of my go-to look. It doesn't take very long and it really doesn't require that much effort in my opinion. And I get the most compliments on it. And I just stuck a little bow in there. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed.